And these are the things when I see a woman today who's a drunkard or into prostitution, I understand. Because one of the things that rape can do to you is that you lose self, the sense of self, and you lose that sense of why should I bother? And you choose to live life recklessly. And you'll tell yourself, because life has dealt with me unfair cards, why should I care? And so you go on that downward spiral in life of not caring anymore. So I understand a woman who sits in a ship because she's given up on herself. I understand a woman who's resorted into prostitution because you've given up on herself. So the journey of Athi over these 30, I'm 39 now, 39 years, has been finding Athi. I had to find myself in order to survive and re-emerge the person that I am and I continue to evolve into. Because had I not chosen to make a decision to find myself, I would not be sitting with you here, Carmen. I'll be part of the statistics of the black women in South Africa who are unemployed, are probably sitting somewhere with multiple children or dead. Because in the journey, I tried to commit suicide. Because there's self-hate, you lose your confidence and you hate yourself and ask yourself, why me? You always grow, there was that question, why me?